Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Rekha Gupta, fourth woman to lead Delhi. The BJP leadership selected first time MLA Rekha Gupta, who won from the Shalimar Bagh as the ninth Chief Minister of Delhi. She will be the fourth woman CM of Delhi after Sushma Swaraj. Sheila Dikshit and Atishi, the Daily Guardian's sister concern. The Sunday Guardian had reported on February 9, 8 day after the Delhi election results were announced that Gupta was among the top three contenders along with MLAs Parvesh Verma and Aziz Sood for the post of Chief Minister. Verma is expected to be appointed as the Deputy CM with Sood also being given a place in the seven-member ministerial cabinet. Sources told this newspaper that her name was finalized jointly by the BJP and the RSS leadership by 11:30 12 p.m. on Wednesday, almost 8 hours before her name was officially announced by the two central observers, Ravi Shankar Prasad and O.P. Dhankad, who were given the said responsibility at the end of meeting of party leaders that was held at the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The selection of Gupta, while might be described as unconventional, but it fits into the style of Prime Minister Narendra Modi when picking chief ministers relatively unknown, relatively inexperienced, non-dynast, and someone who observes party's discipline as has been the trend in the past. Gupta, despite losing two successive elections 2015 and 2020 from Shalimar Bagh, was again repeated by the BJP from the same seat. Gupta, who belongs to the Baniya Vaishya caste, has been associated with the RSS for a long time. She began her political career with the RSS student organization Akhil Bharatiya Vidya Parishad at Daulat Ram College 1992. She was the president of the Delhi University Students' Union from 1996 to 1997. Later, she served as the mayor of the South Delhi Municipal Corporation in 2017. She has in the past been the secretary and then the national secretary of the Delhi unit of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha. She was awarded by PM Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for going through the grinds and rising to become the MLA after serving as a corporator Pitampura, the General Secretary of the Delhi BJP. Mahila Morcha and a member of the BJP's National Executive. The move to appoint the 50-year-old Gupta as the CM, bypassing other top contenders, is also being ascribed to the women voters who, as per BJP's analysis, voted in large numbers for the BJP in the overall election turnout to the women voters outvoted men with a turnout of 60.92 compared to 60.21 among men. She will be the only second serving woman CM in the country after Mamata Banerjee of West Bengal. Gupta's credentials as a woman CM of the national capital are expected to bring more women voters to BJP's fold during the upcoming elections, including the one slated in Bihar at the end of this year and West Bengal elections that are scheduled for mid next year. Gupta's selection adds a powerful asset to the BJP's future election strategy and campaign, highlighting the party as the one that elected a woman as the CM of the national capital. The appointment of Gupta should be read in terms of BJP's overall all outreach to the women community, which also includes the appointment of Draupadi Murmu as the president of the country. Fielding two women in the Lok Sabha polls from Delhi, Kamaljit Sherawat and Bansuri Swaraj, and the announcement of a 33% reservation for women in politics through the Women's Reservation Bill, also known as the Nari Shakti Vandana Adhiniyam, which aims to reserve one-third of the seats in the Lok Sabha and state legislative assembly for women, unlike Parvesh Verma, who was described as the strongest CM claimant due to his family legacy and the fact that he defeated former CM and AAP Chief Minister Kejriwal, which saw his confidence becoming even louder post the election results. Gupta avoided limelight and did not lobby for position, which made an underdog like her two successive loses first time MLA become the CM choice for Modi and Shah. Interestingly, it was Verma who was asked by the party leadership to propose the name of Gupta as the CM in front of the party MLAs at the Delhi BJP headquarters. Thank you guys for watching this.